So I was walking home today from work, and I noticed these beautiful contrails arcing across the sky above me. And I thought, well, look at that. Those contrails show the curvature of the Earth. Because unlike that plane that you're seeing right there, which just took off from the local airport and is only a few miles away from that airport and is gaining altitude, the jet airliners, the passenger jets that created those contrails, are already at their cruising altitude of about 33, 35,000 feet, depending. So they are remaining level. They're not gaining altitude and they're not descending. They remain level. And thus, level, which does not equal flat, level is keeping a constant distance as regards the center of the Earth. And thus, see, there's a plane showing, creating a new contrail. It's going along the same path as that one that was already there. So thus, that they're remaining level, and they're about 33,000 feet up, that's showing you the curvature of the Earth from ground level. You don't need to be in a plane to look down and see the curvature of the Earth. You can look up in the sky. Right there, there's a little teeny tiny passenger jet. It looks teeny tiny due to perspective, but it is about 35,000 feet. And today's atmosphere up there at that level is perfect for creating contrails. No, they are not chemtrails. They are not spraying aluminum and barium on all of us in some sort of government-sponsored mind control experiment. That's just condensation from the heat from the engines and particulates that are ejected as the out of the back of the exhaust of the engines. And obviously there's not much wind up there today, but it is cold enough to show these beautifully delineated contrails. And there's a bunch of them there. And look, here comes another plane. So all these planes are traveling from about east-southeast to about west-southwest. So not directly east to west, but a little bit in the east-southeast to the west-southwest direction. And they're all at cruising altitude, remaining level above the surface of the Earth, and thus mimicking, by their contrails, the curvature of the Earth that we are standing on. This slowly rotating Earth. People say, oh, it's spinning. Well, it's rotating 360 degrees in 24 hours. So there, what I'm showing there is another contrail that's going perpendicular to that first one. Because people say, well, I see boats going over the horizon going away from me, but how come I don't see curvature when I look right to left? Well, there you go. There it is, right to left. This is a sphere we're standing on, a very, very large sphere. So no matter what direction you look, and it just happened to be perfect this afternoon with these contrails showing in two different directions and intersecting the curvature of our beautiful globe Earth.